Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. Alright, then we're just taking a quick look at Verasity then on our daily time frame here for another daily update on the charts. As we can see, we have been retracing back down to this 0.23 Fibonacci level, with Bitcoin kind of chopping around up at that 100k-ish area. I think it went up to a new all-time high of around 107k, but then obviously got a retrace back down to 104k. A lot of our altcoins have been retracing after the recent impulse that they've seen, and Verasity here is no exception. We can obviously see that we had a very nice impulse down from around that 1/5 of a cent level up to around an 1/8 of a cent here, so around a 4x off the lows. As you can see, if you look at the charts here, we're still very much in a range which has been tested multiple times at the resistance and support levels. You can see this 0.38 Fibonacci, which was the previous support, the level that was the area of support in the previous bull market, flipped into resistance here as I thought it might be. Obviously broke down, back tested this area, came down, formed the bear market low, tested the high multiple times, got this deviation here as we did see some bullish movement at the start of this year in that February-March time where we saw Bitcoin starting to move up, but a lot of our altcoins didn't really move too much. You can see Verasity here got up to around what we're looking at here, 1.5 cents off that low of around a 1/5 of a cent. So we basically did around a 6 or a 7x off the lows, and then obviously we came back down here, formed this resistance as well from the all-time high and that swing high that we have yet to retest. We've obviously come back down, retested the low of the bear market, and now bounced back up to that bear market range high resistance. You can see we've tested this area multiple times now, and we are retracing from this area in line pretty much with all of the altcoins that we've been looking at. If you take a quick look at VeChain, for example, a crypto that we look at quite a lot on this channel, you can see doing exactly the same thing. Really big impulse, and now we've kind of been retracing back down over the past week or so, as Bitcoin has been flip-flopping around and not really making too much progress. You can see this is looking fairly similar to that. Pretty much any large cap altcoin that you look at is looking fairly similar. Big impulse, and then we are starting to look like we're having a bit of a trickle and retrace effect. Polygon also one we've looked at on the channel. As you can see, big impulse, but over the past week or so starting to come down in sort of a descending wedge type formation, as you would expect. You can see Verasity here very much just following what the large caps are doing. I'd probably consider Verasity to be a small cap cryptocurrency, which will probably decorrelate as we head towards the pinnacle of the bull market, but I don't think we're quite there just yet. You can see Verasity here pretty much correlated with the large cap cryptos that we've been looking at. AVAX is another one. If you take a quick look at Avalanche, you can see recently we've had that really nice impulse to the upside, breaking through loads of levels of some resistance here and heading up to the local swing high. Currently sitting at around, oh, this is the market cap chart. Let me just get the actual chart. There we go. Obviously we came up to our 618 on Avalanche, but you can see exactly the same thing as well. So you can see that Verasity here is just very highly correlated to the whole of the cryptocurrency altcoin space right now. I'm sure if we had a, let me look at this, see if I can get the altcoin chart. Altcoin market cap dominance, crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin, Ethereum. You can see this is what we've been looking at, isn't it? That big move to the upside, and then all of our altcoins moving very similarly in general. Nice big impulse, and then starting to get a bit of a retrace. Being very bullish recently, looking like we're approaching potentially a breakout of Bitcoin dominance, which would obviously be really interesting indeed. But overall right now, Verasity just very much following the market. Over the past week or so, just retracing from that swing high up here at an 1/8 of a cent, going back down towards that 1/2 a cent level, that 0.005 level at the 0.23, a big area of resistance and support. You can see this previous level here has been tested so many times. This 0.23 was a big area of support and resistance all the way through this bear market period. We obviously took it here, bounced at it quite a few times as support, got a little trickle below, retested it again as support multiple times, but then obviously with Bitcoin chopping sideways as much as it was, we did come down, test the bear market low, and then bounce back to the upside. You can see here Verasity right now just following the market. We're waiting to see what will happen next with Bitcoin, but overall I'm not too concerned about this price action. We're basically just waiting for a level of support to be reached before we bounce. I do think we are going to breach up towards 1 cent or up towards 2 cents on that next run up for Verasity. Altcoins right now just having a little bit of a cooling off period before more upside. Let's see what we can do. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. BitTrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.